Welcome to this video on Surah Rahman, the exposition of divine mercy. We will explore insights from the Tafhim al-Quran by Maulana Maududi. Join us for a journey through the historical context and themes of this chapter, often called the Bride of the Quran. The surah is named after its very first word, Ar-Rahman, meaning the All-Merciful. This is not just a label, but defines the entire chapter's content. Maududi explains that the title deeply corresponds with the subject matter, manifesting Allah's attribute of mercy from the opening verses to the closing. Despite some opinions, evidence confirms Surah Ar-Rahman is an early Meccan surah, revealed years before the Hijrah. Asma bint Abu Bakr witnessed the Prophet ﷺ reciting it at the Kaaba, before the divine command to preach openly was revealed. In the 10th year of prophethood, while returning from Taif, the Prophet paused at Nakhla. There, a group of jinn listened to his recitation. Unlike the disbelieving humans, the jinn responded with submission, acknowledging the favors of their Lord. The companions desired the Quraysh to hear the Quran aloud. Abdullah bin Masud volunteered for the first public recitation of Surah Ar-Rahman. He was severely beaten by the Quraysh chieftains, but continued reciting as long as he could, demonstrating immense resolve. This is the only surah that directly addresses both ins, mankind, and jinn, as distinct accountable beings. Maududi notes that both creations possess free will and are accountable. The Prophet's message encompassed the jinn, as well as humans. The pivotal question, so which of the favors of your Lord would you deny, is repeated to awaken the listeners. Maududi explains that the word Allah covers blessings, powers, and manifestations of Allah's majesty, challenging the listener at every stage. The surah begins not with creation, but with the teaching of the Quran. Allah taught the Quran because He is Ar-Rahman. Teaching guidance is the greatest manifestation of His mercy, facilitated by creating man with the faculty of speech and intellect. Verses 5 to 6 highlight that the universe is not chaotic, but runs on a strict calculation. The sun and moon follow precise courses. Maududi's insight emphasizes that the entire system is under a single command, maintaining perfect order. Allah raised the heavens and established the mizan, or balance. Just as the physical cosmos relies on perfect balance, human society relies on justice. We are commanded not to transgress the balance, affirming that the creator of the orbit is the creator of justice. Verses 10 to 25 list specific blessings for jinn and men: the prepared earth, date palms, grain, and the bounty of the seas, including pearls and coral. Acknowledging these tangible gifts is the first step toward recognizing the divine provider. Verses 26 to 30 remind us of impermanence. Everyone upon the earth will perish, and there will remain only the face of your Lord. Every being depends entirely on Allah for existence. He is the only constant, managing all creation and bringing about a new matter daily. The surah challenges the assembly of jinn and men. If you can pass beyond the regions of the heavens and earth to escape accountability, then do so. Maududi's insight is clear. You are surrounded by the divine kingdom, and there is no border to cross to flee His judgment. For the one who feared standing before his Lord, there are 2 gardens. The surah offers detailed descriptions of paradise: shading branches, flowing springs, carpets of silk, and fruits within reach. This is the ultimate result of living a life balanced by justice and gratitude. Maududi describes this surah as a passionate, eloquent khutbah, or address. It details Allah's power, blessings, and justice to compel the listener into realizing their own dependency. Blessed is the name of your Lord, owner of majesty and honor.